Hi Sylvia, it's Colin. I'm thinking what you're looking for, what your client's looking for is you probably want the menu bar up here the entire time. Is that what you're talking about? That's the only way I could see because it kind of, that's the only non-floating position it has when it's like this here. So let's just take a look in Dreamweaver and see what we can tweak. I might have to send you a style sheet or two, but I've downloaded a copy of your template anyways, but let me just have a crack at it here. All right, so basically what we're saying is we have the header class right here. It's called header small. And it's actually a class that's added to via some JavaScript so that at a certain point in time after the pages scroll down, then this class is then applied to the nav bar, excuse me, and it displays up at the top of the page here. So what we can do is let's go take a look at your site. Okay, so it starts off with a class of header large, and then we use a little script to flip it over to header small, and that's where that style takes over. So I'm wondering, because I haven't tried this myself, but we'll figure out how it works. If we go to our shared menu top and change it directly over to header small. All right, so what do we got here? Header class large. Let's just type in small right here, save and update, and we'll preview and see if it worked. And there you go. Now it's over to header small. This is the way it's going to load up, and it's going to stay at the top of the page. So, why did that come in now? Wait a second. All right, almost had it first crack. What's happening is when I scroll back up to the top of the page, if you scroll down then back up, the classes then get added and removed once again, so it gets reset back to. So what we need to do is scroll down to the bottom of your menu top, and let's get rid of this script tag right here, which says remove class large and then remove class small. So basically this script right here, get rid of it, save it, and then that should do the trick. Now, we also need to take a look at the padding or whatnot, because this can be fixed at the top. So you're going to need to want to move everything down a little bit. So let's just figure out where that is or how that is going to work. Okay, here we go. Something like this here. And also what I did is, so I added, you'll need to do this as well, right down where the nav bar settings are for the header top we talked about, somewhere right in here. Actually, just anywhere. Body, padding, top. Doesn't matter. Just add it right to the top of the style, right to the top of the, right here, where the body is. Just type in padding, top, and then tap in maybe 40px right in here so that it pushes everything down by 40 pixels, because the nav bar is fixed at the top of the page. So because it's fixed, it's taken out of the viewport basically. So everything below it, you're going to have to just put a padding on the body so it has that push. So add that to your styles.css, your menu top, get rid of the script down at the bottom, and up here change the header class to small. That should do you.